Ever wondered how parameterized constructors work in Java? Well, let's begin by unraveling what a constructor is. In the realm of Java, a constructor is a special method that is used to initialize an object. It shares its name with the class and doesn't have a return type. Now, onto the main event, parameterized constructors. These are not your everyday constructors. These are constructors with a special twist. They accept arguments. This makes them stand out from the crowd of default constructors which don't accept any arguments. Parameterized constructors allow us to provide different values to distinct objects. So instead of being stuck with the same values for all objects, you can customize each one to your liking. In essence, a parameterized constructor is like a tailor-made suit. It gives your Java objects a perfect fit, crafted specifically for them. So, a parameterized constructor in Java is a constructor that accepts arguments. Now, let's dive into how parameterized constructors actually work. In Java, a constructor is a special method that's used to initialize objects. The compiler calls the constructor whenever an object of a class is created. Now, a parameterized constructor is a constructor that accepts arguments. You might be asking, why do we need this? Well, parameterized constructors allow us to provide different values to distinct objects. This means we're not restricted to a single set of values. Picture this. You're creating an object for a book class. This class has two instance variables, title and author. Now, if you want to give different titles and authors for different books, you would use a parameterized constructor. You see, this constructor initializes the instance variables with the given values when the object of the class is created. The process is straightforward. First, you define the class and its instance variables. Next, you create the parameterized constructor by using the same name as the class and passing the parameters. Inside this constructor, you set the instance variables equal to the parameters. Here's a little example. Let's say we have a book class with two instance variables, title and author. We create a parameterized constructor like this: public book string t string a. Inside this constructor, we say title equals sign t and author equals sign a. Now, when you create a new book object, you can pass the title and author as parameters. Like this: book my book equals sign new book, To Kill a Mockingbird, Harper Lee. And just like that, my book now has a title and an author, thanks to our parameterized constructor. In conclusion, parameterized constructors are a way to initialize the instance variables of different objects with different values right at the time of their creation. They provide flexibility and control over how your objects are created and initialized, making them indispensable in many coding scenarios. As you can see, parameterized constructors play a crucial role in controlling the initial state of an object. Let's take a look at some examples to better understand parameterized constructors. Imagine we have a class, let's call it dog. This class has two attributes, breed and age. Now, if we want to create a new instance of this class with specific attributes, we have to use a parameterized constructor. Here's how it goes. Public dog, string breed, int age. In this example, our dog class has a constructor that takes two parameters, a string for the breed and an integer for the age. When a new instance of dog is created, these parameters are passed to the constructor, which then assigns these values to the object's attributes. Moreover, we can have multiple constructors in the same class. For instance, we could have another constructor in our dog class that only takes the breed as a parameter, public dog string breed. So when a new dog instance is created with this constructor, only the breed is specified, and the age is set to 0 by default. These examples demonstrate the flexibility and power of parameterized constructors. You can tailor them to fit different scenarios, making your code more efficient and easier to read. With these examples, you can see how versatile and useful parameterized constructors can be in your Java programming. Let's summarize what we've learned about parameterized constructors. These are powerful tools in Java that allow us to initialize instance variables at the time of object creation. They provide greater flexibility and control in our code. They're essential in creating distinct objects with their own unique properties. They're not just constructors. They're constructors with a special purpose to parameterize our objects. So, they're quite the game changers in Java programming. Remember, understanding parameterized constructors is a big step towards mastering Java. Found this video helpful? Well, we certainly hope you did. We've just spent the last bit of time together walking through the ins and outs of parameterized constructors in Java. from the basic introduction to how they work to real-life examples and finally a concise summarization. Our goal has always been to make complex Java concepts more digestible, more accessible, and ultimately more enjoyable for you. We believe that understanding these concepts, like parameterized constructors, can truly enhance your programming skills, and we're here to help you every step of the way. If today's video has added value to your learning journey, we'd like to ask you to consider doing a few things. These actions may seem small, but they make a huge difference to us and to our ability to continue providing quality content like this. Firstly, if you haven't done so already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Subscribing to our channel allows you to get first-hand updates on new content. It also sends a message to us that you value what we're doing and you'd like us to keep going. It's a small action on your part, but it's a massive encouragement for us. Secondly, we'd appreciate it if you could give this video a thumbs up. By liking the video, you're helping to spread the word about our channel and this particular video. This means that more people can benefit from the information we've shared today. Plus, who doesn't love seeing those likes rack up? Next, consider sharing this video with someone you think might benefit from it. Maybe you have a friend who's also learning Java, or perhaps you're part of a programming group or forum. Sharing is caring, as they say, and it's a great way to help us reach more people who could use a little extra help with their Java journey. Lastly, we'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions or comments about today's topic, or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in a future video, do drop us a line in the comments section. We read every single comment, and your feedback is invaluable in helping us improve and tailor our content to your needs. Remember, every subscribe, like, and share counts. They help us to continue doing what we love, breaking down complex programming concepts into easy-to-understand chunks. They also help to create a community of learners, all supporting each other on this programming journey. Your actions can make a significant difference. You have the power to help us create more content, reach more people, and ultimately, make programming a little less daunting for everyone. So we invite you today to take a moment and subscribe, like, and share. Let's continue on this journey of learning and growing together. Subscribe for more such informative videos. Thank you